Pam asked the lady if she had any greens for sale, and she literally walked out in the back there and cut them. I know what's for dinner. Salad.
Yeah, that's what we do a lot, don't we, Mari?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Honestly, you're probably gonna want some bag
we're taking, I'll do like this with honey poppy seed and a little bit of the fresh green onion, raspberry and feta.
She's got some steak left over, don't you? If you can warm up with that, yeah. Some big ones there. Some keepers. These weren't that color a couple of days ago, were they? There's a bunch there. So they feel a little squishy. They're good, right? They're sweet. This one feels squishy.
They peel off without any pressure.
I'll try it. But I'm probably gonna spit it out. Not too bad. No. Yeah, kind of bitter. This is the old rubber seal, and all that yellow stuff is urine crystals built up, and that thing gets dry rotted. That's just what they do.
Need a cutting knife out of the van. I don't think it's in there though.
Down at La Conner, and there's a seal and a baby right there. Cool. I'm getting ready to give the dog a bath. I got this shampoo, getting the shower ready. Look at him up there. He knows it's coming. Ready for a bath, buddy? Come on, Sarge. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get your bath. Come on. There you go. Alrighty. There you go. You like a bath, don't you? You ready?
Julie, there you go.
You good dog.
Stay right there. Wait. Not too bad, huh? Okay. All right. Good enough. Good enough. Oh, good enough. There you go. There you go. Let me get you out there out of here. Here, lay down right there.
It's a spa day for Sarge today. We just gave him a bath, blew him dry. And now he's getting his nails done. That's a good dog.